Everyone, and welcome back to Ozula's Baby. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the process on how you can download and host files on your Google Drive. The traditional way to do this is to firstly download it into your PC, which is your laptop or your desktop computer, and then again re-upload it into your Google Drive or Dropbox. But in today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through the process step by step on how you can download your files directly to Google Drive or Dropbox. The first step is to go over to a website called modcloud.com. It is free to create an account on modcloud. I'll leave a link in the description below. One of the things I like about modcloud is that you can transfer up to 50 gigabytes a week. I think that should be okay for you. So what you want to do is you click on sign up free. Right here, to put in your name right here. Yes, walk you through the process. Provide your email here, so you have to choose a unique password. Let's go over to Gmail, confirm our email address. As you can see, this is the email sent by modcloud. So let's click on activate account. As you can see, activation succeeded. Thank you for choosing modcloud. Enjoy it now. So just log in into our account. So what you want to do once you are here is to click on add cloud drive. As you can see right here, and choose. As you can see, we have add cloud drive. As you can see right here, we have Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Mega, Google Photos, G Suite. So you can see we have pCloud, Dropbox Business, OneDrive for Business, Badio, Flick, hard drive. You can see these are various cloud servers, so various cloud service. These are various cloud services, and but our main focus here is Google Drive. Since you are to the sake of this tutorial, we're focusing our attention on Google Drive. So to click on Google Drive, you can see right here, confirm our email. You can see multi-cloud want to access your Google account. This will allow multi-cloud to see, edit, create and delete all of your Google Drive files. Make sure you trust multi-cloud, so we're just going to click on allow. And you can see this is our Google Drive right here showing on a multi-cloud account. As you can see right here, this is our Google Drive now displaying. See, let me just refresh it for you to see clearly. Let me refresh it so you will see it clearly. As you can see right here, this is our Google Drive is not showing inside our multi-cloud account. As you can see right here, showing inside our multi-cloud account. As you can see right here. Okay, I just want this tutorial to be really short. I don't want to spend much time. I don't want this video to be long, so I will let me just show you how it works. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you how it works. Let's go over to wordpress.org. Let's go. As you can see, just click on Get WordPress because we want to download WordPress and host it into our Google Drive. I want to download WordPress, and as you can see, right here, since we'll be downloading it directly to our Google Drive, what you want to do is to right click it and copy link address. We've copied the link address, as you can see right here. Make sure you right click, then you scroll down to copy link address, and you copy the link address, since you are going to be downloading it directly to our Google Drive. Let's go over back to our multi-cloud account. Create task. Click on this create task. In here we have to add link task, so we have to paste our link which we copied, which is the link of WordPress which we copied. I have to paste our link right here. As you can see right here, since we pasted our link right here, we'll click on latest zip, which is please select the cloud to save the files. We'll click on it and select our Google Drive account, which is to select our Google Drive and click OK. Then we'll press save to cloud. As you can see right here, this is the WordPress that we downloaded. Let me refresh the page. Okay, let's just wait for it to reload. Let's refresh the page. As you can see right here, this is the file name for what the WordPress just saved. Latest zip 15 MB. As you can see right here, it says success. Let's go to our Google Drive. As you can see, latest zip successful. You can see the time. As you can see, guys, we have successfully downloaded our files directly to our Google Drive without downloading it without using the traditional method of downloading it first into our PC before we are uploading it into our Google Drive. This can come in handy if you want to download large files. This will come in very handy if you want to download large files and host them in your Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, support the growth of the channel, and also leave a like to this video and share this video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.